Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Friday the 28th of February, although you'll be seeing this video on Saturday the 20th. I nearly said Saturday the 29th. You'll be seeing this video on Saturday the 1st of March. It's around 11:30 AM now on Friday the 28th, and I am just going to stay here for a little bit and film before I head on to work. You see Desmond's working hard. He's just repositioning. Well, it's looking like he's stopping. Come on Desmond, turn on. Well, that's not good. Somebody's opening the gates. He's coming out the gate, guys. Where's Desmond going? Desmond, where are you going? Come back. Don't go. Oh, he's going down there. Maybe Skylar's gonna come in now. I think once Desmond leaves, I think Skylar's going to come in and do a bit of scooping, get rid of all that wood out of the way. Wonder if the same guy's going to work both. Well, Skylar's in front now. Desmond's gone behind Skylar and he's backing up. You can see his tippy top there. He's still moving a little bit. I stop now. Yep. Still moving. A stupid cabin's in the way, so we can't really see. Come on Desmond, what are you doing? It looks like it's parked up right behind Sky. Excuse me. It looks like it's parked up right behind Skylar. Well, this isn't very exciting, is it? Maybe they've broken off for an early lunch. What do you reckon, folks? I mean, that could be the case. I'll give it a couple of minutes, and if Skylar doesn't start up or Desmond doesn't come back, we just might have to stick a fork in this one and call it done. Well, there you have it. Let's take this opportunity to have a little look at the whole site in general. Moving a little bit. Do you know what I think would be cool to do actually? If these two don't start moving, might stop this video and then walk down Chapel Street and then walk down Bonny Street and then maybe peek through the car park and see if we can get any interesting views through the car park with this, like arty-farty shots, you know. Should we do that? Because I don't think they're moving again. I'm going to stop this now and I shall see you walking down the top of Chapel Street and Bonny Street and see if we can see anything through the car park bars. So I shall be right back. And just like that, I'm back. I'm on Bonny Street. I didn't film anything on Chapel Street because of the fencing around the site. you can't see anything anyway. But as you can see, we're at the back end of the car park now. So let me go down here a little bit. Try see down here, and if we peek through these bars, is there anything we can see? Well, that's disappointing, isn't it? Look, let's zoom in a bit and hope things don't go blurry. There you go, that's pretty much all you can see. Just a bit of rubble. So yeah, the view from under here to the car park is pretty pointless and boring. But I thought I'd take a look. I don't think it will always be pointless and boring. I think as this demolition moves along, we could get some good shots from this side. Let's walk to the bottom of here and we'll just walk and mosey around the old Bonny Street market site. See the number 13 there, Bonny Street. Did that used to be called the Pump and Truncheon, or has it always been number 13? I'm not sure. But I'm sure I remember it being called the Pump and Truncheon. Although I am not a pub person, I don't go in pubs really, so there's every chance I could be very wrong there. Feel free to let me know in the comments, as I always say. I've got Funland there, the back of that, and next to that, the back of the Sea Life Centre. Got the empty car park area here, completely empty today, and all this is going just like everything else. And I know you'll say, but yeah, it's already empty, but they've got to get rid of all the concrete, haven't they? And if they're going to be building, I don't know what they're building on here now, but if they're going to be building hotels and stuff, oh, it's closed off and shut, that's why it's empty. They're going to be building hotels and stuff on here. They're going to have to completely level the ground up and steady it, I don't know. Look, there's our shot of the old police station building, and that's the other side of the court buildings, just peeping out at the top of that bridge area. That is where the demolition is happening now. And look, we've still got Bonny Street market site, poor Bonny Street market site, all empty. And I know I said it last time, man, and I promise I'm not one of these people that wants to be like a Debbie Downer or like a negative moaner or anything like that. But don't you think that Bonny Street market could have still been open even this season? Definitely could have been open last season and before that, but it could still have been open this season because there is literally nothing going on over here. Now I do understand that the original plans could have been different and may have changed, so that was probably a massive factor, but I just think it's a shame how this site is completely empty when the traders could have still been here for an extra 2 or 3 seasons. I mean, obviously it's going to close, had to close for sure eventually, but I feel like it didn't have to happen when it did. But you know, what's done is done, and hopefully everybody either found new premises or found a new business plan and did okay. Just walk up here carefully because I don't want to trip. Righty, okay guys, I think for now that's about all I can show you for this video. So I'm going to say, as usual, thank you for watching, goodbye, and as usual I shall see you all very soon in the next one.
Blackpool buzzes, machine scream.